Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we are going to make a LED HomeKit accessory using my brand new ESP32 HomeKit library. I'm going to show you how you can make your first HomeKit accessory, step by step. Make sure you have set up Docker as described in my blog, New Era, HomeKit Development with ESP32 and IDF, which you can find on my website studiopeters.nl. Before we start, please hit that like button and follow button. We start with cloning the repository by typing git clone recursive https github.com Akim Peters ESP32 HomeKit demo git. Now, let's set up our development environment using Docker. Run the following command by typing docker run at v-tilde ESP32 HomeKit demo project w project espressif IDF latest. This command will create a Docker container with the ESP-IDF environment, allowing us to compile and flash our code seamlessly. Navigate to the LED example directory and type cd examples LED. Set the target for the ESP32 by typing idf pi set target ESP32. This movie is also suitable to other projects, like the LED for ESP32, C2, C3, C5, C6, S2 and C3. Just change the target for the ESP32 by typing idf pi set target ESP32, C2 or ESP32, C3 and so on. Now, configure the project by typing idf pi menu config. In the menu config, make the following selections. Choose Studio Peters and fill in your Wi-Fi network name under My SID, Wi-Fi SID, and your Wi-Fi network password under My Password, Wi-Fi Password. Press ESC until you're prompted to save the configuration, then select Yes. Now, build the project by typing idf pi build. Wait until the code is compiled. This can take up some time, depending on your computer hardware. Open a new terminal window on your Mac and navigate to the LED example directory and type cd ESP32 HomeKit demo examples LED. Connect the ESP32 to your computer. Erase the flash memory of your ESP32 by typing ESP-tool-pi erase_flash. Now, flash the compiled code onto your ESP32. Congratulations on reaching this exciting stage of your HomeKit development journey. Now, it's time to test whether everything works seamlessly. Follow these steps to connect your ESP32 device to HomeKit. Open your HomeKit app and launch your HomeKit app on your smartphone or tablet. Scan the QR code. Find the QR code provided in the repository and scan it using your HomeKit app. This will initiate the process of adding your device to your HomeKit network. Add your device. After scanning the QR code, HomeKit will detect your device as a light. Press Add to Home to begin the integration process. Acknowledge the uncertified accessory prompt. HomeKit may display a prompt indicating that the accessory is uncertified. Don't worry, this is normal for DIY projects. Simply click Add Anyway to proceed with adding your device to your HomeKit network. Explore your HomeKit LED controls. Once successfully added, you will see the HomeKit LED button on your screen. You can now toggle your LED on and off directly from the HomeKit app. Take a moment to explore the settings of your newly integrated device. You'll find detailed information about its status and configuration. And so, dear viewers, we invite you to join us on this journey through testing our HomeKit hardware. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or simply curious about the world of electronics, there's something here for everyone. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the show, because the adventure is just beginning. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to explore, experiment, and innovate in the world of DIY electronics. Until next time, happy testing, and please hit that like button and follow button.